Under the Dark Sky Presents. List of unknown countries. Ascension Island is an island in the Atlantic Ocean, just south of the equator, the United Kingdom territory by which it is administered. The island is named after the day of its recorded discovery, Ascension Day. This barren and uninhabited island was discovered and named by the Portuguese in 1501. The main island has an area of approximately 88 square kilometers. A volcanic peak rising from only 100 kilometers. A variety of mammals have been introduced, donkey, sheep, cats and rats among others. Ascension has a tropical desert climate, there is no indigenous population on the island, and around 880 people live there as of 2010. Sport fishing is the main attraction for visitors to Ascension Island. There is some terrific scuba diving in the waters surrounding Ascension Island. Burkina Faso is a landlocked country in West Africa around 274,200 square kilometers. Formerly called the Republic of Upper Volta, the country was renamed Burkina Faso on August 4, 1984 by then President Thomas Sankara. French is an official language of government and business. One of the poorest countries in the world. About 90% of the population is engaged in, mainly subsistence, agriculture, which is highly vulnerable to variations in rainfall. Its population was estimated at just over 17.3 million. Any local will gladly take you to some events where men and women eat, drink, dance and have a good time in a very safe, almost childlike manner. Burkina Faso is one of safest countries in West Africa. However, be aware of thieves in the big city. The territory of the Cocos, Keeling Islands, also called Cocos Islands and Keeling Islands, is a territory of Australia, located in the Indian Ocean. There are 2 inhabited islands in the group, West Island and Home Island. There are 27 coral islands in the group. Cocos, Keeling Islands experiences tropical monsoon climate. Temperatures are fairly consistent no matter what the season, remaining around a comfortable 29 degrees Celsius with a minimum evening temperature rarely dropping below 20 degrees Celsius. Take cultural tours with some of the local tour operators or guide yourself around the islands to explore why they call the Cocos Islands a nature and water lovers' paradise. In 2010, the population of the islands is estimated at just over 600. On November 23, 1955, the islands were transferred to Australian control under the Cocos, Keeling Islands Act 1955. An Australian Act. The Falkland Islands consist of 2 main islands and several hundred smaller islands in the South Atlantic. The Falklands are a United Kingdom overseas territory and are an associated territory of the European Union. The most popular reason to visit is for the scenic beauty and the flora and fauna. Conservation is high on the island's agenda. Bird and marine species are the most prevalent fauna and include 5 species of penguin. The terrain is rocky and hilly, with some boggy terrain. Strong westerly winds are a constant in many parts of the islands. As the Falklands are a British overseas territory, English is the official language. Since the population has British roots, customs tend to follow those of the United Kingdom. Majority of inhabitants descended from Scottish and Welsh immigrants who settled the territory in 1833. The official Falklands currency is the Falkland pound. The population of the Falklands was 2,932 in 2012. The Federated States of Micronesia is a country in the northwestern Pacific Ocean. The states comprise around 607 islands, a combined land area of approximately 702 square kilometers. The islands are grouped into 4 states. These 4 states are each represented by a white star on the national flag. The capital is Palikir. English is the official and common language. Also spoken are Chuukese and Kuzrian. Population estimates 106,104. The Bailiwick of Guernsey is a group of islands in the English Channel, part of the Channel Islands. Defence and most foreign relations are handled by the British government. The islands of Guernsey and the other Channel Islands represent the last remnants of the medieval dukedom of Normandy, which held sway in both France and England. The islands were the only British soil occupied by German troops during World War II. The Bailiwick can only be reached by plane or boat. Guernsey's climate is temperate with mild winters and warm, sunny summers. The warmest months are July and August, when temperatures are generally around 20 degrees Celsius. Guernsey, with its sandy beaches, cliff walks, seascapes and offshore islands has been a tourist destination since at least the Victorian days. The population is 62,948. Mayotte is a French island in the Indian Ocean off East Africa between Madagascar and Mozambique. Mayotte was ceded to France along with the other islands of the Comoros group in 1843. A large number of the island's population is composed of illegal aliens from neighboring Comoros. Mayotte's area is 374 square kilometers. French is the official language and is spoken by around 63% of the population. The climate is tropical, marine, hot, humid, rainy season during northeastern monsoon, November to May, dry season is cooler, May to November. Currency is the euro. Greeting others while perambulating about, or a pleasant expression of recognition, a smile, is considered respectful. Nagorno-Karabakh. Officially the Nagorno-Karabakh Republic is a republic in the South Caucasus. The region is considered by the UN to be part of Azerbaijan. The region is mostly mountainous and forested and has an area of 8,223 square kilometers. Nagorno-Karabakh is a presidential democracy. Executive power primarily resides with the president. Armenian and Russian are both widely used languages. In March 2007, the local government announced that its population had grown to 138,000. Education in Nagorno-Karabakh is compulsory, and is free up to the age of 18. The republic is developing a tourist industry geared to Armenia and the Armenian diaspora. The republic has been showing a major increase in tourists over the last several years, which keeps growing because of Karabakh's many cultural sites. Palau. Officially the Republic of Palau is an island country with a population of 17,948 on 465 square kilometers, located in the western Pacific Ocean. The country was originally settled approximately 3,000 years ago by migrants from the Philippines and sustained a Negrito population until around 900 years ago. Palau is most famous for scuba diving. One of the most famous dive sites, Blue Corner, with constant sharks and a high current, is located less than 1 hour's boat ride from most resorts. English and Palauan are spoken widely and are the official languages. Palauans have been known throughout history for their hospitality. Many Palauans are very understanding, and realize cultural differences and easily give respect for foreign visitors. South Ossetia or Tskhinvali region is a partially recognized state in the South Caucasus, located in the territory of the South Ossetian Autonomous Oblast within the former Georgian SSR. Its population of 53,000 lives in an area of 3,900 square kilometers, south of the Russian Caucasus, with 30,000 living in its capital city of Tskhinvali. The mountains are beautiful nevertheless, as they are in the regions to the west and east, Racha and Kazbegi region. It is a relatively safe place because of the heavy presence of the Russian army and security forces. The people of South Ossetia can speak Ossetian, Russian and Georgian. Tokolo is in Polynesia, a group of 3 atolls about halfway between Hawaii to New Zealand. Originally settled by Polynesian immigrants from surrounding island groups, The Tokelau Islands were made a British protectorate in 1889. They were transferred to New Zealand administration in 1925. The people rely heavily on aid from New Zealand. The United Nations General Assembly designates Tokelau a non-self-governing territory. Tokelau has a resident population of 1,411 people, with a land area of 10 square kilometers. Tuvalu, formerly known as the Ellis Islands, is a Polynesian island nation located in the Pacific Ocean, that form the fourth smallest country in the world. It is generally believed that the earlier ancestors came mostly from Samoa. Tuvalu has a population of 10,640. The total land area of the islands of Tuvalu is 26 square kilometers. English is the language of government and of most business on Funafuti. Samoan and Kiribati, although not the official languages, are spoken as well. Tuvalu is not a destination for those in search of spectacular sightseeing opportunities. A siren signals when to leave the runway for an approaching plane. Vanuatu, officially the Republic of Vanuatu, a Pacific island nation located in the South Pacific Ocean. Vanuatu was first inhabited by Melanesian people, with about 1,300 kilometers between the most northern and southern islands. Land surface is very limited, roughly 4,700 square kilometers. The Republic of Vanuatu is a parliamentary democracy with a written constitution. The four mainstays of the economy are agriculture, tourism, offshore financial services, and raising cattle. Vanuatu has a population of 221,506, males outnumber females, in 1999. The population is predominantly rural, the region is rich in sea life. Vanuatu is, on the whole, a safe and friendly environment.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share.